y'all. What's up? Y'all already know who it is. We don't need an explanation. It's been bored, so I made a video. Let's not talk about the mispronunciation. Oh, and I changed my name, if you didn't already realize. Sorry, I needed to change it because someone took it from me, so yeah. I know how rude. Oh, and yeah, I'm German, or Deutsch. I did not start WW2, so don't even comment cause it ain't funny.
But what the hell, boy?
Oh my god, beautiful!
Raul. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Hey, yo, the pizza here!
Oh, nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Who the fuck is this nigga, bro?
Toyota.
What? What's wrong with you, bro? What the hell? You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Suck.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way.
Oh!
The fuck? Go crazy! Go stupid! Lol!
Oh shit, not good.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Perfect! Huh? Boom. What the dog doing? You stupid.
Baba Bowie. Bruh.